Hiya, my name's Alun Saunders and I play Usko and the Crow and the evil witch Baba Yaga in the Snow Teigr.
What's been your favourite part so far of the whole process of Snow Teigr?
I think my favourite parts so far have been learning some new instruments. I've managed to learn a new tune on the accordion, which I haven't played for a long time, and I've learned to play the bass guitar. I'm not very good yet, but I hope I'll get better by the end of the tour.
What's been the worst or the best part, whatever, about this week, performance week?
I think one of the things about this week is knowing that by Friday we're going to have some people there to watch us and enjoy the show. So we've got to know that we're very, very good. And I think that I've got a little bit of a way to go, and hopefully by Friday it'll all be fine and great and marvellous.
How are you finding the bilingual side of things? We're doing exactly the same play in two different languages.
It's really interesting doing the play in English and in Welsh. It's although it's the similar structure, it's the same structure to both. All the wording, of course, the language is different and the wording is slightly different. So it's just getting our heads around that. I think we'll be fine fydden ni yn iawn. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen at Teigr yr Eira yn ogystal at y Snow Teigr.
What are you most looking forward to about the tour?
I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody thinks of the Snow Teigr and all the little surprises and the little characters coming in. It's going to be really exciting, just hearing everybody laughing. I hope they'll laugh. I think they will.